So you have opened up your coin for EtherOcean on your OPBNB wallet. To go and check and move between the two, you're going to press on the search bar to the drop-down box and you type in OP. And then you can swap between the two. So we're going to look at Optimism, okay? I've got 15 Rand left because I joined. You can go look at the videos on how to join and I upgraded. You can go look at the video how to upgrade. I want to show you how to replace your link, because always take your sponsors link out no matter on what wallet you are. Let's go back to OPBNB wallet. I just want to show you on search bar. You're going to type in OP and you will see. Let's go into OPBNB. So even if you're on this wallet, it doesn't matter what wallet you choose here. When you go into Explore on Search D app, here it matters what you're going to look at. Obviously, the short number is the number that is Ethereum Ocean. You can see with the search history, HTTPS Ethereum Ocean. And if I wanted to check my OPBNB, I will go to getrise.pro. So I'm going to go into my wallet through my sponsors link, because that is what I had. You're going to choose OP Optimism. You must choose the coin. And it's going to bring up my wallet. It sometimes takes a little while, and if it doesn't open up, you go to these three dots at the top and you say refresh. And then it will refresh. Now you need to go and copy and paste your own link and replace your sponsors link. So here where it says direct referral link, you're going to copy on these, press on these two white envelopes within the blue block. You're going to see it said copied. You're going to go to WhatsApp and you're going to paste it. There's my code. So I just want to copy it from here. I'm going to go back to SafePal. And now you're going to close it with a circle and the cross at the top. You're going to go one back. You're going to press on the search D app below your name again. And now you're going to go delete your sponsor's number by under the dustbin. This is my sponsor's number. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go back at the top and I'm going to paste my own link there. Then I'm going to go to select network and I'm going to select the correct coin. So now you know that you've replaced your sponsors link with your link, and this is your wallet. It's not opening up. I wait a bit. I go to the three dots. I say refresh. And you have replaced your wallet. There's your ID. There's your sponsor's ID. I've already upgraded. On this wallet, so I'm Homestead. You can go and look at the bottom on the levels. Homestead is the second level, but this will mean nothing to me if I do not get 2 people in very quickly so I can start earning. There are people that is losing out on bonuses because they come in without 2 people. Look at this guy. He has got overflow. He got 2 people in, he qualified, which was very clever, and now he's starting to earn. But look at the person underneath him. He has got nobody. He's starting to earn overflow. Look at his team here. But he's not earning because he hasn't got the 2 people in his team to start earning. So it's very important to tell people, bring those 2 people in so that you can start earning.